What's up? It is me in the beginning of this video, and I wanted to say like and subscribe this video. I really want to grow on here, so please share this video, like save it in a playlist, do whatever. Just casual makeup. This is my last day of art class before portfolio review at the end of class, which isn't really a class. I wanted to do something special for it. I decided to put makeup on for the first time, and I decided to do some like trippy eyes, inspired by this painting. Hi you guys, well I am here with another makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do this look for class. I kind of started with these circles, but we're gonna try it today. First time doing makeup. Thumbnail, let's do this. Okay, so, I don't know what look I'm going for here. Okay. This one's looking more like, a bit more like a leukemia mole. You can see the symptoms for leukemia moles they don't stay within the confines of a circle. That, I kind of like it. This is what I was going for. I pictured 3 dots. What am I doing? Okay. I don't know if I like the 3. I kind of like the 2 better. Okay, so I got the idea to draw eyes on these, like have the pupils be that, and like, I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I should be actually painting in preparation for this art class because it's not done, but we're painting my face. I'm gonna go finish this in front of a mirror. I will be right back with the finished look. Do they really look like eyes though? What time is it? Let me turn off the light so I get some good lighting. It's so weird. Thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna be going to class like this though. I'm gonna ask people what they think of it. But yeah, let's go. Let's go. So that was a bit from my video on how I achieved this look and why I did it. And now I'm gonna be going to class like this. I have come to the conclusion that this is very cringe. Not art school vibes, nobody was vibing with it, so I didn't want to ask people. I don't know, I still like it though, I'm keeping it positive. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like it, and make sure to subscribe, smash that subscribe button. And yeah, this has been really fun. I don't know, should I do more makeup looks like this? Grazie per guardando e sto andando. I have not 1 but 2 jewels.